Damn it, Scream.
What's that?
Greetings and welcome. For the past few years, I've been watching the youth getting into this whole vlogging hype. So I decided to make one and show you guys how my life is now that my dirty cousin decided to sign with Hollywood. Roll the clip. After my 5 bowls of Cap Crunch wild berries, I go shave so I won't be looking like this fool. Don't forget to polish those pearly whites, or else you gonna have that stink breath. All done. Looking all spiffy for the ladies. Oh yeah. Riding to work, I hop on my favorite whip, powered by a turbo 2.0 diesel, with custom-made handlebars made from Hot Wheels. Lego! Woo! Check out those gangster rims! Whee! Get out the way! Ugh. I hate that. Did you guys see though? Some ant, all yoked with muscles, flipped my bike. Damn it, I better not be late for work. Guess I'm gonna have to play a little game with his old colony later on. Frickin' steroid using mother. Minding my own business, I spot a helpless customer from the corner of my eye. As I approach, he flips. Wanna buy some bolts?
¡Ah, cabrón, una bruja!
Get? Man, I'm never getting Employee of the Month. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm a certified vehicular fixer-upper. Well, sir, I've come to the conclusion. Your spare tire has a flat. After a long day's work, I just want to kick back, get white boy wasted, and chill with my 2 bitches. Let loose at the club with the roommates. Fist pump bros.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady.
Hello again. You have just watched my first video. With Halloween being right around the corner, I want to let you guys know to have fun, play safe, and enjoy. Life's too short. Before I sign off, I want to play a little game for the past 5 minutes. You have been watching a part of my life. I'd appreciate if you drop a comment and hit the like or dislike button. You have 5 seconds. Clock's ticking. Game over. Is this thing still on? How do you turn this off?